So hello guys, how are you all? I hope everyone is fine. So today I'll be resetting my Windows 8 PC and it is really old. So let's show you how to do that. Just go to start and just type here update and you would see Windows update settings. Just click on it and now go to recovery and here is remove everything and reinstall Windows. Just click on get started. Okay, now it shows reset your PC and here is what will happen. So just accept everything and click on next. Okay, now select either of the options. I will fully clean the drive, so I'll select this, then reset. Now it shows getting Windows ready. Don't turn off your computer. Just make sure that you are plugged in while you are doing this reset, because it is a long process and it actually takes about 2 to 3 hours minimum. Okay, so formatting is complete. Now we have to choose our country. Okay, now next. Okay, it is saving my settings. Okay, now you have to just accept the license here. Just click on this and then click on accept. Okay, now email. I will just I'll just skip this for now. Okay, now pick a color which you would like.
It's going to be okay. I would like this example. So
let me give a PC name to this. So I have given a name and now I'll click on next. So after that I'll means if you're trying to connect to net, you can use your Wi-Fi. So I'll just connect to my internet now. Presently, if you don't have, means if you don't want to log in with your email, just click on sign in without a Microsoft account. Okay, and just click on local account. Okay, now I'll just add a local account and I'll use my username, password and password hints. Setting the local account, your PC would restart and your PC would restart. So it says hi. While we are getting the things ready, check out the new way to use Windows. After your PC is ready, move your mouse to any corner. So it says this will take a few minutes, so we have to wait. So it says let's start and done. My PC is reset and that is how to reset your PC guys for Windows 8 and that is it.